Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can add a custom ringtone to alarm. So first of all, you're going to have to launch your alarm application. Once you do that, you will see alarm, world clock, so on and so forth. So make sure that you are under alarm and then select this plus button in order to add a new alarm. So I'm going to give it a name test, and you may go ahead and select the repetition of the alarm. And under alarm sound, by default it might be set to any ringtone, but you may go ahead and tap onto it. If you tap onto it, you can customize it. So all you have to do is select ringtone again, and likewise, these being the default ringtone, you may go ahead and simply add anything from your music or your playlist. Once you have done that, if you would like vibration, you may go ahead, toggle it on, and likewise, this is how it's done. Select save, and now the alarm has been set with your customized ringtone. This is how it's done, guys. Thank you for watching.